Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Steam client service failed to start error in Windows 10 computer. So this error on Windows can be frustrating, but several troubleshooting steps can help resolve it. The problem is often caused by incorrect service settings, file corruptions, or conflicts with other software. Then I'll show you steps to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear cache files on Steam app. So all you have to do is to open up your Steam app and then click. And then once you open up, and then on the top left corner, then you need now to select this Steam. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need to select this settings. And once you open up here at Steam settings, here at left side navigation panel, then you need to scroll down and select this downloads and then click. And then here now at downloads here at right side, and then you need to scroll down again. And then we need to find and locate this clear download cache. So all you have to do is to tap this clear cache here at right side corner. So all you have to do is to click and then clear download cache. Then you need to click this confirm. And after you click this clear cache in the next step, so here, same here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this in-game and then click. And then on right side here and in-game, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this delete web browser data. So all you have to do is to tap or click this delete here on right side corner. Okay, so tap this delete. Alright, so after here at Steam settings, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to allowing Steam through Windows Defender Firewall. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this control panel, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at control panel, then we need to modify by clicking this view by category and click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings. And the next step, then you need to find and locate this Windows Defender Firewall and then click. And once you open up here at the Windows Defender Firewall, here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to select or tap this allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and then click. And then on all right side here at allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. And then on right side, you can see this change settings and then tap. And once you tap here the change settings, and then here at allowed apps and features, then you need to scroll down, find and locate this Steam. So scroll down, and here at Steam, so we need to check this box. And then on all right side here at private and public, it should be enabled or check this box, right? So you need to check this box, and then after that, you need to click OK. Alright, so after here at Windows Defender Firewall, and then we need to close if the error is still persists. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to check the Steam client service settings. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type this services, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at services and services local, on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Steam client services. So we need to scroll down, and then you need to select this Steam client services. All you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to click only here this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here at left side corner and then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.